Ladies and gentlemen, listen closely. There comes a time in life when someone hurts you deeply. It shakes your soul. It makes you question your worth. But let me tell you something. Your power was never in his hands. It was in yours all along. When a man tries to hurt you, the first instinct is to retaliate, to argue, to prove him wrong. But true strength, true mastery, comes from silence, poise, and strategy. Confuse him by being calm when he expects chaos. Confuse him by smiling when he expects tears. Confuse him by walking away when he expects you to beg. Taking back your power doesn't mean breaking him. It means building yourself up so high, so unshakable, that his actions bounce off you like water off steel. Remember, the world doesn't need to see him fall. The world needs to see you rise. You see, real power is subtle, silent, and unstoppable. Every insult, every betrayal, every hurt is an opportunity to show your strength without saying a word. And when you do this, my friends, you don't just confuse him, you'll reclaim your life, your energy, and your destiny. So the next time someone tries to hurt you, remember this. Don't fight like them. Rise above like you. Stand firm. Smile. Walk away. And let your power speak louder than his words ever could. Power is yours. Your strength was never in his hands. It was never something he could give you or take away from you. It has always been within you, waiting to be claimed. The mistake we make is thinking someone else has control over our happiness, our peace, our future. But listen closely, no. One holds the keys to your life except you. Every time you rise after being pushed down, that is your power. Every time you choose calm over chaos, that is your power. It was never lost. It was always yours. Resist reacting. The moment someone hurts you, your first instinct is to strike back. You want to shout, you want to argue, you want to prove him wrong, but that's exactly what he expects from you. That reaction feeds his power, not yours. When you hold back, when you pause, when you choose silence instead of anger, you create confusion. You show him that his words don't control you. You show him that you are bigger than the moment. Resisting reaction doesn't make you weak. It makes you untouchable. It makes you unshakable. It makes you free. Use calmness as strength. When he expects you to break, hold yourself steady. When he expects shouting, give him silence. When he expects fire, bring water. Chaos is his weapon, but calmness is your shield. It unsettles him. It shows him that no matter how loud his storm gets, your peace cannot be stolen. Calmness is not weakness. It is control. It is the quiet confidence that says, "You cannot shake me." And the more composed you remain, the smaller his power becomes. Because true strength is calm, true power is peace. Smile in adversity. When he expects tears, give him light. When he expects you to crumble, stand tall with a smile. That smile is not about pretending the pain isn't real. It is about proving that the pain cannot define you. Peace in the middle of hardship is the loudest message you can send. It says, "You did not break me. You cannot break me." A calm smile confuses him because he expects suffering to steal your spirit. But instead, you radiate strength, you radiate grace, and your peace becomes your victory. Your smile becomes your power. Walk away with dignity. There is no power in begging for what should already be given freely. Respect, love, and kindness are not things to be pleaded for. They are things you deserve by right. When he withholds them, when he plays with them, your strength is in choosing to leave. Not with anger, not with tears, but with quiet dignity. Walking away does not mean you lost. It means you refuse to stay where your value was not seen. Each step you take away from pain is a step back into your power. That is control. That is freedom. Rise above. Don't break. True power is not found in revenge. It is not in proving who is right and who is wrong. It is in mastering yourself when the world tries to break you. It is in staying calm when chaos surrounds you. It is in holding your head high when someone tries to drag you low. Vengeance may feel satisfying for a moment, but self-mastery lasts a lifetime. It is the discipline to choose peace over pettiness. It is the strength to keep rising no matter what. That is where your true power lives. Let hurt fuel growth. Every betrayal, every insult, Every wound can either break you or build you. Pain has power, but only if you know how to use it. Instead of letting it crush your spirit, let it sharpen your focus. Instead of letting it make you bitter, let it make you stronger. Every scar is proof that you survived. Every disappointment is a lesson pushing you forward. Hurt is not the end of your story. It is the beginning of your transformation. Turn the pain into strength. Turn the betrayal into fuel. Turn the hurt into growth. Silence speaks volumes. When the world expects you to shout, choose quiet. When he expects your anger, choose calm. Silence is not weakness. It is control. It is the art of refusing to give your energy to what does not deserve it. Your quiet composure unsettles him. It leaves him wondering what you're thinking, what you're planning, what you're capable of. Noise is predictable. Silence is powerful. It confuses, it disarms, it overpowers, and in silence, you prove your strength without saying a word. Energy management is everything. Your energy is your life force, your power, your fire. Protect it with everything you have. Don't waste it on arguments that lead nowhere. Don't hand it over to someone who only wants to drain you. Every time you let him see you shaken, you give him satisfaction. Every time you let him disturb your peace, you give away your control. But when you guard your energy, you guard your strength, you stay centered, you stay unshaken, and you remind him that he cannot touch what fuels you. Your energy belongs to you. Ultimate freedom is rising above. It is the moment you stop living for his approval. It is the moment you stop carrying the weight of his words. When you rise above the pain, the betrayal, the disappointment, you take your life back. You reclaim your voice. You reclaim your peace. You reclaim the destiny that was always meant to be yours. Freedom is not in controlling him. It is in refusing to let him control you. It is walking forward with power, with clarity, with strength. When you rise above, you become unstoppable. You become free. So remember this. No matter who tried to hurt you, no matter what they took from you, they cannot take your spirit. They cannot touch your worth, and they cannot hold your power. Because your power was never in their hands. It was always in yours. Rise above the pain. Guard your energy. Smile in the face of adversity. Walk away with dignity. And let your silence, your calmness, your strength speak louder than any words ever could. You are not broken. You are not defeated. You are powerful, and the world will know it.